let's play simulation cream with me today. This is crystal for decoration, and I have my bead and charm collection here, and it has so many tips. First of all, I will change the tips, and then I will start piping into the keyring frame. This is my first time trying this, so I feel like it's really hard to control. And please do not touch the cream while it's still wet. I love this color so much. Do you like it? Next, I want to change the color from mint to baby blue. This time, I want to try it on the Toploader, not the keyring anymore. It makes me feel like I'm decorating a birthday cake. Oops, I messed up this part. Sprinkle this Toploader with some decoration stuff. I'm trying to improve my speaking skill in English, so I'm sorry if my pronunciation is not so good. And yeah, we are done for decoration at Toploader. This time I want to make something different. I didn't know what I was doing, but just do it. BTS, BTS. I want to go to their concert so much. I must have to say BTS music makes me feel peaceful, and BTS make me happy, and they give me motivation at the same time. And the last step, I will put the picture to each keyring. It's so cute. 𝗁𝗶𝗆 and 𝗁𝗏. What do you think? Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching and listening to my thoughts. I really appreciate that you guys are here with me. Thank you so much.